States in the east are dealing with dangerous weather conditions.
Yeah, in North Carolina, strong storms have left thousands there without power. Heavy downpours, strong winds, thunderstorms, all reported throughout the state.
Wind gusts reached up to 50 miles per hour in some areas. Several homes and businesses sustained damage. Closed roads and downed power lines were also reported throughout the state.
And in Louisiana, the National Weather Service has confirmed that two EF1 tornadoes, they did touch down in the state. And the tornadoes had wind speeds up to 95 miles per hour, leaving behind a trail of damage. Crews are continuing their efforts to restore power for residents.